how's it going? I'm here to show you this V8 portable air compressor. It's an air pump basically, and it's got a built-in 2000 milliamp hour battery. When this is fully charged, you can do about 41 sports balls, like a soccer or a basketball. You can do 41 of them. You can do 8 bicycle tires. You can do like 6 motorcycle tires, and you can do approximately 5 full-size regular automobile tires. All right, let's open it up and check it out. While I do that, let me let you know that this goes for $45.99 at the time of filming, and there is a 5% coupon available. All right, here are the contents. Let's just take a look at what we got here. So we got a carrying pouch. We got this main attachment here to fill your car tires. Obviously, there's an instruction manual. Let's see what's in the goodie bag. So we have an attachment right here to fill your bouncy balls, basketballs, soccer balls, footballs. Another adapter here. Here's another adapter. This one's good for like inflatables or something like that. We just shove it into the hole and let it blow. And here is a USB to micro USB charger. Looking at the device, you have an LED button right here. If you hold that, you can turn on the LED light if you're working at night. You have settings for plus and minus and set. Or if you hold both of these, it's 0. At the top, here's the output for the air. Here's a micro USB charger. Here's a USB output if you want to charge your phone or something like that. And there's the LED light right there. And there's more ventilation on the bottom. So here's the power button. Let me turn it on. You have to hold it. Okay, and now it's on. And there's the LED light. Okay, nice and bright. And you can set your PSI. It goes up to 100, and I'll let you know that most cars require anywhere from like 32 to 38 psi per tire. So let me plug this in and check it out. So when blowing out hot air, these connectors usually get hot, and it was nice that they put this little rubber here to give you some protection. And then this is the part that you would just attach to your tire. Let's see, let's turn it on. So I can feel the wind coming out. All right, and this does have built-in protection so that you don't just leave it on, or if you let it run for too long, it might overheat. So it's got protection where it'll shut up on its own. But check it out on Amazon. Like I said, it's from V8. It's $45.99 right now.